Cough is a reflex mechanism. It may be with phlegm or without phlegm. The causes for cough with phlegm may be because of problem with the pharynx, that is the throat, or the larynx, which is called the voice box, or the trachea, the airway passage, and the bronchi, bronchioles, as well as the lung parenchyma. Sudden onset of cough happens because of any foreign body presence, or any cough lasting for few days, maybe because of infection, few weeks, maybe because of bronchitis, then prolonging for months, maybe because of reflex, and sometimes it might be variable where we see in asthma. Cough in elderly especially might be an indication of heart failure as well as pneumonia, asthma, or as sign of aspiration.